Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: Wi-Fi or mobile data and a charged phone. Once ready, open Settings, tap Accounts, and choose Add Account. Alternatively, launch the Google or Gmail app to start. You're doing this now because creating the account inside Android links services automatically. Make sure to enter a working recovery email or phone number when prompted, since that helps with verification and future account recovery. Keep your desired username and a strong password ready as you proceed to verification. You create the account by tapping Create Account and picking For Myself. Next, enter your legal name and birth date. This helps with recovery options. Choose a username that's available. If not, try small variations. Create a strong password. Aim for 12 characters or more, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. Once submitted, Google will usually require phone verification. Enter the SMS code you receive. After verification, read and accept the privacy and terms so your account becomes active and linked to the device. Once verified, finish by enabling sync for contacts, calendar, drive, and app backup so your data moves to the cloud. Make sure Play Store updates complete and sign into Gmail, Maps, and other apps with your new account. This ensures app purchases and preferences are linked. If a step fails, retry verification after toggling airplane mode or switching networks. Make sure SMS is not blocked by carrier. As a troubleshooting tip, use the recovery email option if SMS verification repeatedly fails to complete account setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.